I'll show you skill 2, which is cloning a repository on GitHub onto your local computer. This video will show you how to do this with GitHub Desktop. So first I want to find the URL of the repository. Here I'm on my GitHub user account. Now I click here, repositories, and this is the one that I just created, and I want to clone that one. So let's click that. That's what I'm going to be cloning. I'm going to go up here, copy the URL, and now I'm going to open GitHub Desktop, and I want to go here to File and go down here, Clone Repository. This pops up. This will populate with my repositories from GitHub, but I want to show you the general way that you would do this with a URL. So I'm going to click that tab here, URL. I'm going to paste that in so you can see it's this, my name, test. And then I want to double check where it's going to put these. As I talk about in the workshop, you should have a folder where you put all your GitHub repositories. It'll really help you down the line. You always know where they are. You never confuse them with anything else. So it's documents, and then see I have mine in GitHub here, so I'm going to click that. That's where I want it. So I select that. So there we go. It's in documents, GitHub, and now I say clone. There we go. It's now cloned. If I go to my files here and go under documents, go under GitHub, scroll down, you'll see test. If I double click that, you'll see it has this README file. All right, that's it.